Hi guys, I'm teacher Queenie, your soul art teacher. I think you still remember what we had learned from the previous class. Lesson 1, a fish. Lesson 2, a plant, right? So lesson 3, I'm going to share with you how to draw a seashell. Are you ready? Let us begin. Now I want you to check on your paper. This is the bottom, right? What we're going to do here is to do a marking like this, an opposite L shape. Then I'm going to rotate the paper and I'm going to draw a line to connect back to this L shape. Okay, next we can curve this area. Ta-da! Okay, step 2, we can continue creating more of the curve. From here, I'm going to extend the line to make it a curved line here and connect back to this point. Okay, let us try again. Then we change to another color. Okay, one more time. Whenever you draw the line, make sure it looks curved, because if it's curvy, then it will be looking more natural and it brings the shape of the seashell. Okay, let me continue with another one. I can go for another color. Maybe this one. Okay, so maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can go for 6 division. Okay, let me change the color again. Okay, one more, the last part. So this part is a bit tricky, right? We need to connect it back to here and make it a curved line. Okay, if possible, then only put a line here. Okay, so this is the seashell, which is already completed with the division. Now what we're going to do is to change to this group of color, purple, pink, and light pink. I'm going to add some pattern on it. Okay, I think it will be easier if we do it on alternate division. Let's start from this color. We can create dotted line. Okay, so because of this is a curved line, right? So we need to follow the shape on top of it accordingly. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so now we can simplify it with a solid line. It just end shape. One more layer. Okay, I think if there's no space here, then we can ignore the area. Ta-da! Okay, next we're going to use purple color to enhance these parts. I can rotate my paper so that I can draw a curved line easily. And maybe one more to go. Ta-da! If you think this is too plain, you can add some more. One more line here. Okay, next design for this, I think we can take this one. Okay, we can do like zigzag. You know zigzag, right? You just have to repeat the same pattern easily. And then one more layer to make it 2D. And then, so this is a dark purple pattern, and we can go for pink color now. Okay, pink color, we're going to make double N this time. This design is a bit challenging, so if you think you can draw it, then it will be great. Then followed by, it looks like a single shape followed by double shape. It would be easier if you interpret it like this: N shape, V shape, N shape, V shape. This time it's V, right? Then followed by N again. Okay, because of the limited space here, so we're going to make it smaller, and followed by one more here, and one more again, all the way down. Okay, so far so good. And the last design for this part, I'm going to draw lollipop again, like this. Look like number 6, right? And I'm going to change the pattern into circles because of the limited space. All the way down. Dun dun! So there you go. This is the seashell created with simple lines and patterns. What do you think? Do you like it? I hope you will enjoy learning the drawing with me. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again. Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. Bye.